Are you serious? 2 weeks in Mexico and now all of a sudden I suck at paradiddles. Mythical man. Mythical man.
Who's saying that? Who said that?
It is me, the god of paradiddles.
Wait, you're the god of paradiddles? That doesn't exist. There's no way you're the god of paradiddles.
Well, of course I exist. I'm right here.
Oh, well, yeah, that is a solid point. Anyway, how do I get better at paradiddles?
All you need to do to get better at paradiddles is to eat some watermelon.
Oh, I hate watermelon.
The seeds in the watermelon will help your paradiddles.
That logic makes zero sense. I don't know what the big deal is. It just tastes like normal watermelon. What just happened? Why does my mouth taste like watermelon? I love watermelon. Hello, my name is Maverick and I'm addicted to watermelon. The first time I ever tasted watermelon was around a couple hours ago. And now I just love watermelon. I lick the watermelon, I feel the watermelon, and sometimes I become the watermelon. See these guys? These are my children. Why are they outside, you might ask? It's their punishment. This one right here, the one with flies all over it, that one's name is Shish Kebab. Shish Kebab? I don't know how to say it. This one right here, this one's my favorite. This one's name is Fernando Sanchez. This one is my second favorite. His name is Leonardo. That's it. This one back here, this one's Bob.
Maverick just hasn't stopped talking about watermelon all day long.
Who is this Maverick kid?
I personally love Maverick's addiction.
Well, aren't you?
No. I guess you could say I was right all along. I can't believe I left out the most obvious clues. I mean, they were right in front of my face. That's crazy, right? Wait. Right all along. Right all along. Right. That's a perfect paradiddle.